Hey, how's it going? Today is going to be a quick tutorial about making a simple rain effect. So let's just go ahead and hop right into it. I'm going to just make a terrain. No real sense in trying to light it up or anything. Let's look for third-person controller. Bring that over. Make sure that I'm not going to fall on my death whenever I start up. And I do, so alright, cool. Now for this, what we're going to do is we are going to add a component. No, that is a lie. We're going to add a game object. And the game object will be a plane. We're going to bring that up, extend that. And let's see, scoot that over here and here. Alright, now because this is just a plane, it's not actually going to show up as a mesh or anything, so this is exactly what we're going to want for this scenario, just because we're only just trying to make rain, we're not trying to make it come out of anything. So with the plane selected, you're going to hit component, particles. Okay, now the first one is mesh particle emitter, which is important because that's going to make the particles emit out of the entirety of the mesh, aka the whole surface. Then animator, also add in a renderer. Alright, now we're going to go down to the renderer as our element. Let's say dust material, why not? So we're going to put in some dust material. We are going to stretch the particles a little bit. Nothing's coming out right now, so let's go up to here. Emit size, let's go ahead and just emit size 2. Oops, that's the wrong one. Let's see. 0.1, max size 2. There we are. NG, boom, boom. World velocity. We are going to want it to fall, so -3. Just for a start. Yeah, there we go. And now we'll see that start falling effect. Let's go ahead and bump that up to like -10 or something. That way more of them fall. Minimum emission 50, maximum, let's say 200. Make a little bit more rain. Scroll down a little bit. Now you can play with a bunch of these other ones, world velocity, local velocity, but just so that you get the basic idea of it. Excuse me. So we have our rain falling, random rotation, why not? Let's see, one shots. Boom, boom, boom. Max normal velocity, -3. Go down to which one is world rotation, local rotation, random force. Whoops. Now the reason why I'm putting all these at negative is just so that they go down, because at the positive number they fall up. Oops. Random force, and then force. I'm gonna go ahead and also put that to -5. And to be honest with you, I'm just kind of putting a couple of random numbers just so that it becomes apparent. Max particle size, let's say 0.5. And we go in. Now you can change the size of the particles so that they aren't nearly as big, because raindrops aren't nearly that big, as well as you'd want to go ahead and add more of them. If you want heavier rain and stuff like that, you can always make it go faster and whatnot. But just to show you the basic principle of creating rain, this is one way to definitely do it. And that way you have it covering all of whatever area you want it to cover. As you can see, I see it pretty far off in the distance. And that's about the size of this short tutorial. Hope it helped at least a little bit.